So carpets go down today. Tomorrow it's the kitchen. We're starting, we're going to rip all this out. Good morning to you. Let me talk you through what's going to happen here. Okay, so this room is pretty much empty now. And obviously we're choosing those, you know about that. There's a radiator that's going up today. And the fridge freezer is going to eventually be over there. But we're going to be losing this wall here on Saturday, which is going to be a mess. So obviously we've got to have a joist up. So we're going to have a little, see where that pencil mark is? A little plinth coming down there. And then the kitchen will be all one. So you've got, this is very messy at the minute because we're trying to sort of unpack and we're taking units down from there. The plumber's coming today to remove that. And he's going to remove that for me at a later stage when the kitchen's being done. So we're going to keep our hob for now. But so I'm trying to pack everything up, get everything out of the kitchen, which is not easy. But yeah, so this is all going to be gone. The floor's then got to be levelled off, and we're going to have one lot of flooring through, which is probably going to be the same as we've got in here in the living room. So chaotically, I'm trying to create a kitchen in here. So on the table, we're going to have the kettle and the microwave and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of all of that, paint over that. Obviously this wall won't be here. This is all going to be replastered. The boiler's going to be boxed in. So the kitchen's going to be shiny white, and tabletops, the top worktops are going to be marble. So I have looked at a marble table and chairs, which you would have seen as well. So yeah, excited. Well, I didn't actually say what switch the camera on for, so I'm back. Today the plumber is going to take this radiator off, cap it off, whatever that's called. I don't know where that ends up going, whether they take the pipes there and cap it off, I don't know. It's going to channel through the floor so that the new radiator is going to go over there, which is this one. And you'll get to see that. It's one of the, they call it designer radiators, so that's fun. So he's going to do that today, so it's going to be messy, and this floor's going to obviously come up. So we're going to be back to wearing, I've been wearing my bare feet a lot. So we're going to be back to wearing trainers around the house, because obviously there's going to be boulders everywhere. Now I've tried to keep this kind of area upwards nice. So it looks gorgeous, and then you come in here and it's all kind of dark and, all right, I've got the blinds shut and messy, and you know, so when this is all done as well, and then we've got the front room back to normal, it's going to be lovely. The front room will need decorating then, but that's right, we can figure that out. So. Right, this is exciting. So there's the gas pipe that's got to come out. Obviously the floor is hard as nails, so yeah, but the kitchen's already starting to look a lot bigger, and I can kind of see, you're not going to be able to tell on this video, but I can kind of see where it's going. So there's the oven, yeah. Well, oddly, and for the first time, I can actually start to see how this is going to be, which is really bizarre. I can see that it's going to be quite big, and you probably won't be able to see it, but I'm not so great at that. For a creative person, it takes quite a lot for me to be able to visualise it. So now we've got obviously this space gone, that's my doggy again, which is just this little bit of space there that we've knocked out. Oh, I'd rather he didn't go in all that Harley. He's got his haircut coming out soon, so not too bad. But it just feels so open now, and it's going to be just, wow. I have just had a rethink about the flooring. I was going to have the same flooring as in the back room, but I think now I'm probably going to go for tiles. I've got a tiler that can do it, and I don't know what tiles are going to cost, so I need to have a little look at the measurements in this room and then go and price it up and see if it's in my budget. But it can be done later. We could live with concrete floors, not the end of the world for a little bit, but yeah, we're in a proper mess here. So the builder's been really good. He said, the plumber, sorry, is going to put my washing machine outside. We're going to cover it over with plastic and then just pop the electric through when we need to do the washing. So that'd be good. We have that like that for a couple of weeks. And yeah, oven's out, so we are ovenless. But who needs an oven in this heat? Anyway, we've got the microwave, and we've got the slow cooker. So yeah, so it's all good. Oh my goodness. So we have a lot of mess once again, because we had to have all the electrics taken out of this wall ready, and oh yes, they did offer to clear up in fairness, and I said no, leave it, I shall do it. So we have lots of holes in the ceiling where they've had to take stuff out. That was just that, don't panic. yeah, fun. Clean washing up, so I need to do that again. I think I need to move out of the kitchen now. Look, it's just very dusty and mucky. It will look like that one of these days. I'm home again. Well, scaffolding's gone down and it looks all daylight here again now. So I've got to have a little bit of a sort around of the garden because it's, yeah, needs a bit of TLC out there. And yeah, so carrying on with this project now. So this bit all came down yesterday. We've got, it's all been decommissioned, they call that, where they cut everything, take everything out. This is out because this is the wall that's coming down. So yeah, crazily I'm back looking at lighting again for the kitchen now. Don't quite know. I'm probably going to get, I don't know, I quite like this one actually. It's cute, but I'm probably going to get the one that we've already got in the hallway. That curly one. Yeah, I think. Well, we are unpacking the kitchen, like packing it up so that it's gonna be ready to knock down. Home again. Hello you lot. Right, I am in a completely chaotic living room. Well, this is kind of like our living room, but it's not our living room right now. So I've kind of made a kitchen in here, which is an absolute nightmare. Look, so this is the dining room table, which we're going to have a new one. We're not having this one anymore. Got my chopping boards, my knives, some water there for the kettle, and the kettle, an extension rail, a kitchen, no, not kitchen, a fridge, because they're going to close all of this back end of the house off as of tomorrow, so that we cannot get here because this wall's coming down and there's going to be dust and crap everywhere. So into the kitchen, which is obviously looking very empty at the moment, and not much like a kitchen at all. So we've just taken out shelves from here because they came a bit low. So we're going to have work surface right the way along there. This is where the new tumble dryer is going to go, and I've got a new one coming in September because that one, the element, went kaput, completely blue. The hob's going to be moved down here slightly, and the oven is going to go here. Blinds are down. This is all completely, look, wrecked as wrecked can be. Doggy's been really good actually, bless him. So yeah, and then in this back room, it's totally pretty much empty now. So this is obviously going to look a whole lot bigger. I'm super excited. I'm going to take some photos now.